Function is a self-contained block of codes or subprograms with a set of statements that perform some specific tasks or coherent tasks when it is called. In C programs contain at least one function, that is main function. There are basically two types of function. Those are library function and user defined function. The user defined function defined by the user according to his requirement, and a system defined function cannot be modified. It can only read and can be used. These functions are supplied with every C compiler. Source of this library function are pre-compiled, and only object code get used by the user by linking to the code by linker. Here in system defined function description, function definition are predefined, pre-compiled, stored in the library. Function declaration must be in header file with a function prototype, function call by the programmer. In user defined function, there must be return type, name of the function. So when user gets his own function, three things he has to know. These are function declaration, function definition, and function call. These three things are represented like like this. Here are, this is the function declaration, then main function, there then function arguments, then function definition. Function, what is function declaration? Function declaration is also known as function prototype. It inform the compiler about three things. Those are name of the function, name of the type of arguments received by the function, and the type of value returned by the function. While declaring the name of the argument is optional, and the function prototype always terminated by the semicolon. What is function definition? Function definition consists of the whole description and code of the function. It tells about what function is doing, what are its inputs, and what are its output. It consists of two parts, function header and function body. This is the syntax of a function. What is function call? When the function get called by the calling function, then it is called function call. The compiler executes these functions when the semicolon is followed by the function name. This is an example of function call. The arguments that are used inside the function call are called the actual arguments. What is actual argument? The argument which are mentioned or used inside the function call is known as actual argument, and these are the original values, and copy of these are actually sent to the called function. It can be written as constant expression or any function call like this. What is formal argument? The formal argument which are mentioned in function definition are called formal argument or dummy argument. These arguments are used to just hold the copied of the values that are sent by the calling function through the function call. These arguments are like other local variables which are created when the function call starts and destroyed when the function ends. The basic difference between the formal arguments and the actual arguments are the formal arguments are declared inside the parentheses, whereas the local variable declared at the beginning of the function block. The formal arguments are automatically initialized when the copy of the actual arguments are passed, while other local variables are assigned values through the statement. Order number and type of actual arguments in the function call should be matched with the order number and type of the formal arguments. What is return type? It is used to return the value to the calling function. It can be used in two ways, as return or return expression, or return expression. What is the advantage of function? By using function, large and difficult program can be divided into subprograms and solved. When we want to perform some tasks repeatedly, or some code is to be used more than once at different place in the program, then function avoids this repetition or rewritten over and over. Due to reducing size or modular function, it is easy to modify and test. C program is a collection of one or more function. A function is get called when function is followed by the semicolon. A function is defined when a function name followed by a pair of curly braces. Any function can be called by another function. Even main function can be called by other function. So every function in a program must be called directly or indirectly by the main function. A function can be called by any number of times. A function can call itself again and again, and this process is called recursion. A function can be called from the other function, but a function cannot be defined in other function.